Now that I've come back to masteryofleverage.com and I'm starting to add content on a regular basis once again, there's a few fundamental changes that I need to make to the website because I want to make this more search engine friendly. And I'm going to do that by doing two things. Today I'm going to start by adding more links from each and every post to other relevant articles within the same category of my website. And the other thing I want to do is to remove a lot of the duplicate content that comes with WordPress, something you probably didn't know. And that is that every time you submit an article, or write an article rather, to WordPress, it doesn't just get submitted to that post page, it also gets posted to the category page. And that means you have two versions of exactly the same content on your website, and that is not doing you any favors when it comes to search engine optimization. So today I'm going to start firstly by changing the location of the Google AdSense box. I'm going to take it from down here underneath my content, and I'm going to show you how to put this on every post just below the title, because I found this is working for all my other websites. And like I said, the other thing I'm going to show you how to do is to put more links to other relevant content within the same category on your post, and that is by installing a plugin called Similar Posts. And we're going to do both of these things by hacking the index.php file. May sound a little bit complicated, but once you've done it for the first time, it really is simple. So here we are in FileZilla, which is my FTP client that I'm using. I'm going to go to my domain, go to the content, go to the themes, go to the theme I'm using, and go ahead and download the index.php file. Just right click on there, click download, and that is now downloaded to your hard drive. We'll open up the file, and I will put in the line numbers to help you out so you can follow along a little bit easier on this video. And we're going to be putting the AdSense code right here underneath the title. But first of all, I want to switch off the automatic AdSense code that comes with the StudioPress theme, and use theme, turn off the code, and no, and we will select all because we want to copy this right into that index.php file and save changes. And back to the PHP file, and as a signpost for you, you'll find that this is the same code you will find in every theme. Okay, so just to give you a couple of signposts, and we want to paste in the AdSense code right underneath the title here, and just paste that in there. And I will upload this and show you what that looks like right now. Back to my FTP client, and upload, and back to the website, and we will see now that the AdSense code is gone from here, and it will be at the top of the post, or should be. And there you go, the AdSense code is now underneath the main title of every post. And the next thing I want to do is install the Similar Posts plugin. So back to my FTP client, find my list of plugins, and if you've watched my videos before, you know I keep all my plugins in the same folder on my hard drive, plugins, and we want to go to plugins again, and to the Similar Post plugin, and right click, just click upload, and we'll go and activate the plugin. Activate. And now we need to paste this code into our index.php file. So we'll copy that code. And what I'll do for you is copy this and put this underneath this video on this page. So then you can easily just copy this to your own index.php file. So copy, if we didn't do that, back to the index file. We have to be careful where we put it on this page, okay? Let me show you where I'm going to put this. I want to put this obviously beneath the article, but above the comment section, and leave the comment section right down below. So I'm going to put it in this section here, okay? And when you paste in this code into this index file, you have to be very careful where you post it, that you don't break up some of the natural code on this site. And I want to put it, like I said, above the comments but below the article content. And this section here is the section which is what we just deactivated in the theme, and that is for the original AdSense code. If you just want to keep things as they are, this is the code that pastes in the AdSense code. We want to put it right below that because that now is deactivated. And if you'll see, we have been very careful not to break up this code here. It's very important you don't break up these div codes, okay? The div, and there's the opening div, and there's the closing div, you see, with the slash before the div, okay? We need to put it before this, and just want to put a space in there. It's okay to put white space into these PHP files. It doesn't affect the operation of the website. We just copy that in there, and you can change this title. As you can see, this is a H3 header, and what I want to do is just put in some extra keywords, and I want to put in here internet marketing articles, and just click save. Back to my FTP client and back to the editing file, and careful you don't put this back in the wrong place in your FTP client. We want to go to the themes, my news theme, and we will just drag this across. And now back to the website, you will see the similar post section appear right by here. And there's the text that I just put in, related internet marketing articles. And the next thing I want to do is go in and change some of the similar post settings, because I want to add a snippet of content here from that page, just to add some more keywords to the page. So back to the back office of WordPress, if you want to call it that, and the settings, similar posts. And the first setting we want to change, leave this to show 5 additional posts, is this one here, match the current posts category. And I also want to, like I said, put a snippet of information. So let me just bring this over here so you can see what I'm doing. I'm going to copy this piece of text here. Let's copy that. And I'm going to put it next to where it says link here in the output template, a dash and a space, and just a couple of dots at the end to finish off to make it tidier. Save output settings. Back to the website, and what you see now is a snippet of content will appear directly under these headings. If I refresh the page, there you go. And you'll notice that I now have only 2 related articles there. That's because I changed that setting there to match the content of the individual category.